Okay, Samantha, I just wanted to give you a little heads up on your plan. I think I've found the issue, but I'm not sure. I won't know until I hear from you, but I wanted to do this quick video tutorial just to show you what I'm changing in your plan. So first thing I did, as I changed your birthday because for some reason, if you're not 21 years old, this program does something weird and it doesn't work. So I just changed that. The other thing that I noticed is that under your net worth, here's where I am. I look at your property and your loan. So your property, first of all, your house is being rented. You need to change that to own. So I'm going to change that to own. Purchase year is already started. Purchase price, I think you said it was $260,000. Current value, let's just say 260. I don't know. You can make changes to this. I'm just trying to put in some information. Hopefully you added insurance to your plan, and I'm going to assume it was around 3,500. And I don't know where your house is, but let's just say your property tax is $5,000 a year. Annual maintenance is, let's say, $750 a year. And tax increase, annual appreciation, that all looks fine. I'm assuming you live in Texas. And I'm going to hit save. So now you've got two properties, your house and land. I guess you don't really need both of those. Your primary home that you were renting, we could probably just delete that, right? Or let's delete this one. So I'm going to delete that one. So your primary home is the one you own. Anyway, I just made those changes. Now let's jump into retirement and see what we get. So I'm not sure. You said you're getting an error. I'm assuming you're just not able to move the needle. So just whatever I did, move the needle. One of the reasons is because before in your cash flow, you had a goal here, $260,000. It was because, here, let me just show you real quick. So I'm going to go back to the property and I'm going to say purchase year, let's say 2021. If I hit save, this is what you had before in your plan. So if I hit save and then we go to retirement, look what happens to your probability of success in your plan. It goes to 0. So I try to figure out why is that. I go to cash flows and I see that you have this goal here of $260,000 because you purchased that property and the computer thinks you paid cash for it instead of a mortgage. So the way we fix that is we go back to the property, and instead of purchase year, calendar year, we'll just say already started, and we already have a mortgage set up for that. That's what I think we do. I guess we don't. So yeah, you need a mortgage for that. So then you need to go back over here, and we need to go add account, property, loan. It's a loan, and we're going to call it Samantha's mortgage. It's a mortgage. Original amount, let's say 260,000. Origination year, let's call it a 30-year loan. Interest rate, let's say you got it for a good old 3.5%. Monthly payment, let's say $18.75. Balance, let's say $260. You can change any of this you want to. I'm just link to house, primary home. I hit save. Now I just added your mortgage. So if we go, I save that. I think I saved that. Now I'm going to go to retirement and see what it looks like. And I mean, this is working for me, so I'm hoping it's working for you. Now, if I go to cash flow, I will see, did we get rid of that big old expense? No, we have the expense there. So let me go back and see why we have that. I think the loan, 60 original amount. Oh, that's your car. No, oh, that was your mortgage. So home mortgage, original amount, monthly payments. That's not good. So 18 75. And if I hit save now, and I'm going to delete this loan since we put in your mortgage here. And again, I hope I'm not messing up your plan too much. Since you're seeing what I'm doing, you can go back and undo it. I'm just trying to help figure out what's going on with your plan. So see, we've got now 90% probability of success. So whatever's going on, I'll tell you one thing though, you're not going to have anywhere near that kind of success once you put in. I mean, I would deduct points if you said you could live on $6,000 a year in retirement. So that should be, I'm going to say 6,000, and we'll make this 6,000. And once I do that, watch what happens. Your probability of success is going to go down, but that's a whole lot more realistic. I'm not sure why your current plan is 90% because you were saying you could live on this amount, which is just totally unreasonable. So anyway, I hope that helps. Go and play around in your plan. You have some more time to submit this assignment for this week. I'm sorry for your inconvenience. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully we fixed your problem. Let me know if not, and we will get you some help.